In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Evening Doji Star Bearish quick and easy guide. We're going to walk through step by step how to add the Evening Doji Star Bearish pattern to your chart on Tradingview. This is a classic candlestick reversal pattern, and once you know how to quickly pull it up on your charts, it becomes a really handy tool for spotting potential bearish reversals at a glance. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and you have any chart open. It can be a stock, a crypto pair, forex, whatever you like. Once your chart is on screen, look toward the top of the interface. You'll see an option labeled Indicators. This is where Tradingview keeps all of its built-in technical tools, from moving averages to candlestick pattern recognitions. Go ahead and click on Indicators. When you do, a search window will pop up. At the top of that window, you'll see a search bar. This is where you can type the name of almost any indicator or pattern you want to use. In that search bar, type the word star. You don't need to type the entire phrase Evening Doji Star. Just star is enough for Tradingview to narrow down the list of available tools. After a moment, you'll see a list of results related to candlestick stars and other indicators. From that list, look carefully for Evening Doji Star Bearish. It should appear as one of the pattern recognition tools. Once you see it, simply click on it once. As soon as you do, Tradingview will automatically apply this pattern to your current chart. You'll start noticing highlighted areas or markers wherever the Evening Doji Star Bearish pattern appears in your price history. Take a second to zoom in on your chart and check a few of those signals. This is a great way to visually understand how the pattern behaves around key levels and after strong upward moves. Remember, this pattern is generally used to spot potential trend reversals from bullish to bearish, so traders often combine it with other tools like support and resistance, volume, or momentum indicators to confirm their ideas. Once it's added, you don't need to repeat the process every time. Tradingview will remember your indicator layout for that chart, so the Evening Doji Star Bearish pattern will stay there until you remove it. If you want to unlock more advanced features and make your charting experience smoother, feel free to use my affiliate link in the description to try out Tradingview Pro. It supports the channel and gives you access to extra tools, more indicators per chart, and an overall better workflow. That's all there is to it. Now you know exactly how to add the Evening Doji Star Bearish pattern quickly and easily on Tradingview.